Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. I'm about to share with you guys some really good makeup tips that elevated my makeup game. Some tips that I wish I knew earlier because these tips are something that even if you're a beginner in makeup, you need it because it's going to change everything you know about makeup. Now that is why you need to watch this video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 makeup tips that elevated and changed my makeup game for the better. So if you want to learn more about it and know how I created this bump makeup look right here, then keep on watching. So guys, the first tip is relating to concealer, which is letting your concealer dry down before you blend it out. If you're an OG subscriber, you know that I've been doing this for the longest because guys, it works. Let me tell you the whole thing behind it. When you use your concealer, especially if you have a very liquidy concealer, not those type of strong matte concealer that is very stiff. If you have a very liquidy concealer like the LA Girl Pro concealer, you apply it on your face and you just blend it out like that, you're going to lose the coverage. The coverage your concealer is supposed to give you, you will lose it because you are literally blending everything out into oblivion. So when you let it to sit, let it dry down a bit, let it marinate into your skin, guys, you will see the difference. Like, it will look so beautiful and so flawless and to have so much coverage, and you wouldn't even need to use too much concealer, which is the best part because you're going to be saving money, right? So guys, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro concealer and my Zara concealer as usual. I'm not going to add a lot of concealer just to show you guys how well it works. Now, to get the maximum payoff with this tip is to actually spread out the concealer where you would normally blend it, so that when it dries down and when you blend it out, it will just be a very easy transition for you. So I'm just going to concentrate it more on this side, just spreading it across my eyes, my forehead, also my nose, my chin. Now I'm gonna go into my Zara concealer. This concealer is lighter than my skin tone, way lighter, so I like to use it to just brighten up my concealer. It's not a compulsory step, it's just my personal preference because I know that it always makes a difference when I do it like that. So I'll just apply it directly on top of the LA Girl Pro concealer. I also like to apply it on my chin too. Now we're going to wait for it to dry down. Now while we're waiting for it to dry down, I'll just go and apply my contour. Then I'll be back to show you guys the next tip. So guys, the next tip that really elevated my makeup game was introducing cream blushes into my routine. I love cream blushes, as you can see from all the different videos I've made. Like throughout this year, all of them always include cream blushes. Like, I don't go without cream blushes because they are really the ish. Cream blushes just make your blush look like it's coming from within. It makes the makeup look so much flawless, gives you your face life, gives your face color. And when you now apply your powder blush on top of the cream blush, guys, it looks so beautiful. Like, I cannot even over exaggerate it. You always see it in my videos, that's why my skin always be looking so good, because of cream blushes. They do the job. So try to introduce cream or liquid blushes into your routine. If you don't have cream blushes, you can always substitute it with red lipstick, but it works, so you need to do it. Now go and apply cream blush. So let's apply. This is my Pixie on the Glow blush. This is in the orange and the pink shade. These are my 2 favorite shades. Actually, there are other shades, but these 2 shades always hit it for me. I'm just going to apply it on my hands first. I don't want to do it directly. I go into my beauty blender and just take it on. Sometimes just applying it directly on your skin is just a very faster way. Let me just do it like that. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but my face has definitely elevated and it's looking much more beautiful, right? You see it, don't you? You see why you need cream blushes or liquid blushes in your routine, right? Okay, now it's time to blend. You guys know I like to use my brush to blend my concealer now. That's a new thing for me. Guys, the next tip I'm going to be talking about is powder puffs. I love powder puffs. Like, this is literally one of the best things that have ever happened to the makeup game, because damn, you use this, your makeup is going to look flawless. You don't even need brushes with this, because once you use it for your powder, you use it for everything else, anything powder, you use it, girl, your makeup is going to be looking like a filter. Filter wear. What are you using filter for when you have powder puffs? I'm not joking, guys. This thing, as little as it is, it really does magic. So I will be using my Mera Cosmetics powder. Set it. I'm using my Mera Cosmetics powder in shade Ginger. I'll first use it to set my face, then bake. Then use my, don't worry, I'll show you guys. It's literally going to blur out all your texture. I don't know what it is about using the powder puff, but it's, what's the mechanism behind it? Because it always looks so beautiful. You can never go wrong with powder puff. If you're a beginner in makeup, what are you using brushes for? Powder puffs are your go-to. So I don't know if I've showed you guys my new baking technique. It's not really new, but I don't know if I've showed you. So what I do now is I go into my Sasha Buttercup powder because it is on the yellow side. Then I'm going to use that to bake first. I'll take the powder, apply it on the places I want to bake, which is just in front of my eyes, sometimes on my forehead. Should I do forehead? Let's just do it. Chin. Okay. After that, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take my Mera Cosmetics powder, which is in shade Ginger. This is more of a translucent shade. It has a whiter tone, so I will use that. I'll bake on top of the Buttercup powder. So this is the Mera Cosmetics powder with the yellow bake on top. I'll add the powder on top like this. Ooh, and I'll leave it to bake. Once this is blended in, it looks so beautiful. I can't even lie. You know, there's no room for me to lie because you can actually see the flawlessness in action. So there's no lies whatsoever. While we bake, let me apply my blush. So I'll just take two pink shades from this palette together, and I'll just use that to apply as my blush. And you guys will see how the blush will just melt into my skin and just look so flawless. Guys, if you find the right shade of blush for yourself, you will never stop using blush. Blush will literally be your favorite thing in the world. Like, can you see? So I'm just going to apply a little bit of contour, powder contour, because I just remembered I didn't apply. I'm going to apply my skin tone powder on the powder puff and use it to blend in the bake. I'm not just going to sweep the bake away. I'm going to blend it into the skin. It's always going to look really good. Trust me. So guys, the next makeup tip is mascara. You know, I didn't really understand the effect of mascara because I was always using false lashes, so I didn't really see the need for mascara. And I don't even have any lashes. My lashes are all gone. So when I started to do little to no makeup looks, trying to elevate my makeup looks but not do too much, I actually saw the benefit of using mascaras. Because damn, once you apply mascara, even if you don't do makeup, you apply just mascara and lip gloss, guys, your makeup, your face will be looking so beautiful, like natural beauty. If you apply mascara, you apply it the right way. You do it the best way you can. Check out this video if you want to know how to apply mascara to get the maximum benefits. If you apply mascara the right way, your makeup game is going to look so beautiful. To look like you're a professional, even if you're not a professional. So try to put in more effort into your mascara application and you are going to love it. Even if you're applying false lashes, you still need to apply mascara because it will make your false lash application way easier. And when you apply mascara at the bottom of your lashes, damn, you're going to look like a doll, a Barbie doll, a beautiful Barbie doll. Guys, I used to be a matte lover, like a matte lip lover. Like when it comes to glosses, I really wasn't getting the hype. I was always about my matte lipstick or no lipstick at all. Then when I decided to actually put in more effort into doing my lips and using glosses, guys, my makeup game went from this to this. Do you like glosses are literally the most essential thing in your makeup routine? If you don't do anything, apply gloss, you're going to look beautiful. Without makeup, apply gloss, you're going to look beautiful. So guys, I always used to apply matte lipstick. I was always anti-gloss. And when I saw the light, I never went back. So now I'm actually a nude lip girly. Apply my nude lip, then put a very thick glossy gloss on top of that. Nobody's gonna try me. Try me, yeah. You can't try me. So this is the Pixie Botanical Collagen Lip Gloss. Look at how yummy looks. So guys, this is the final look. How do I look? Don't I look beautiful as ever? I didn't even apply eyelashes and I look this good, and you can look this good too if you follow these makeup tips. If you guys want more of these types of videos where I tell you guys tips that will really elevate your makeup game, then leave it in the comment section below. Oh guys, today is literally the second to last day of Vlogmas. Oh my god, we really did it. You guys did it. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, for always giving me a thumbs up, for always subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the last video. So guys, if you want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. Hey. If you guys want to see more of my videos, please check it out right here. I'm gonna leave some videos on the screen right here, so you should definitely check it out if you love me, if you want to support me, watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be on Christmas Day. Oh my god, bye.